Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, August 29th, 2025, and we're breaking down everything you need to know about what's moving from new inflation data to tech stock sell-offs, and even some surprise winners. Let's dive in. US markets cooled off today ahead of the long holiday weekend. The S&P 500, SPY, dipped just slightly to around 645, the Nasdaq 100, QQQ, fell to 570, and the Dow Jones, DIA, held flat near 456. So not a crash, but a pause after hitting record highs yesterday. Key drivers: inflation data still sticky. The Federal Reserve's favorite inflation gauge, the PCE index, came in at 2.6% year-over-year, above the Fed's 2% target. Core PCE rose 0.3% month-over-month, matching expectations but reminding everyone inflation isn't gone yet. Tech stocks take a hit. Big names dragged the market down. Dell dropped 9% after weak guidance, Marvell plunged up to 18%, and Nvidia slipped 3 to 4% on concerns about China demand. This is why the Nasdaq underperformed today. But it wasn't all red on the screen. Some companies crushed it. Affirm jumped 11% after reporting profitability, Ambarella spiked 18% on strong earnings, Autodesk climbed more than 7%, Alibaba soared 12% with surprise earnings and an iChip launch, and Berkshire Hathaway edged higher as investors celebrated Warren Buffett's 95th birthday. Macro and context markets are balancing between fresh record highs and seasonal headwinds. September is historically the weakest month for stocks, so some traders are locking in profits now. Add in concerns about new tariffs and rising consumer costs, and you can see why the rally cooled today. To sum it up, inflation is still sticky. Tech had a rough day, but certain earnings winners kept the market from slipping too far. Heading into September, expect more volatility as markets test these record highs. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for daily market breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, which stock are you watching going into September? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.